video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power lift gate, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.